Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going through an apartment that is located in La Concha of El Poblado. If you Google La Concha, you'll see that area is very small in El Poblado. When we first walked in here, the first thing on the left was that half bathroom. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath apartment. This is a little laundry room area slash maybe even pantry or storage area. This apartment is completely gutted and remodeled. The guy that did this, the owner, is a German engineer. So he has very little features and details that you don't see in most Colombian, if any, Colombian apartments. Like, for example, this is the refrigerator hidden within, the shelves of the kitchen here. Just little things like that. And you'll notice like the windows, they're soundproof and they've got some accent things done to them. It's really awesome. This is my favorite part, which is this big deck or balcony, really. This unit is a ground floor unit, so you do have that bigger balcony or deck than most of the other apartments in the building. And it is a duplex. It is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath apartment. It's and the square footage is 2,594, which is 241 square meters. When we walk up the first bedroom here, very large bedroom. This is the master bedroom. This is a king-size bed there, and this is the master bath. I mean, again, you can tell that this was really well thought out. You could tell it's European, I think, because of the more industrial look, I think. But it does have the wood floors, and that makes it a little bit more homey to me. This is an apartment that is turnkey. You can buy it with all the furniture already in it. This second bedroom here, he's using it as an office. And this is the bathroom here. And again, very well done. Everything is beautiful. There's nothing that you would really need to add to this. If you wanted to, you can move right in or put it up on the market if you wanted to rent it out. The asking price for this one is 2,020,000,000 Colombian pesos, which comes out to be 456,000 US dollars. This is the master bedroom. Sorry, I thought that first one was the master bedroom, but this is the master bath. Oh my gosh, look how huge this is. This is this is the master bathroom. I mean, that other one could have been the master bedroom, and I would have been like, oh yeah, that's fine. But no, this is the master bath. This is absolutely gorgeous. Again, anybody would love to live in this. So if you're interested in this apartment, you want to go see it, or maybe you want to find something different, just make sure to click on the link in the description below. Somebody on my team will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to see some more awesome videos, make sure to check out this playlist right here.